Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about some mega developments taking place in Wakefield in Trelawny. Now, as you know, Wakefield is just on the outskirts of Falmouth, which is the capital of Trelawny. Now, Trelawny on a whole is it's slowly becoming a major player in the tourism industry. It has the cruise ship pier, which is the number one cruise ship pier in Jamaica and the Caribbean. And so the areas around Falmouth are slowly getting a lot of development. So we're going to go through an article. During our conference, Member of Parliament for Trelawny Northern highlighted that the Wakefield Division has been allocated $384 million for various development projects. These projects include major road resurfacing efforts, with $144 million dedicated to the Martha Braid to Bounty Hall route and $145 million for the Wakefield to Deeside Road. Hamilton pointed out that the road between Deeside and Wakefield now features a newly added white line signaling improved infrastructure. Hamilton emphasized the progress made since 2020, contrasting it with the previous 31 years, during which she claims the area was neglected by the opposition party. She noted advancements in sports, education, road upgrades and pipeline work, and the Ryder Farm Road in Blackwin under her leadership. In addition, Hamilton announced plans to reopen the Wakefield Post Office, which will be upgraded with modern technology. She also highlighted future projects for the constituency, such as the US $1.3 billion Harmony Cove tourism investment and the creation of a new town center in Falmouth, signaling further transformation for the region. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.